Brian Smedley here, and I wanted to show you how I put a moving foreground on a background static photo. What I do, if you'll notice that I'm going to have to split the videos of the army men because the lead-in is a little small as they're approaching. So what I do, I have to, you see, I had to split it and bring them in forward. So I'm going to have to split it and take out the left side. I don't need the left side. I don't need this lead in because they're approaching and they're a little too small. They're not quite forward. So I take that out like I just did, and I'll do the same with the other. Now I'll just test that. I'm going to bring the lower one. I'm testing this. But you'll notice I have a line. It's like they go off screen and they disappear. And right here on the left side, they're coming in, but that doesn't look right. So what I need to do is now I got to test this one to where they get further into camera view right there. And then I'll split the screen there. And after that, I will take care of the left side. I'll find out about where I want it to where they're up closer. And then I'm going to split the screen. And then I'm going to delete the left side, like so. Then I'm going to have to bring the right side video above the other and line it up. Now they're both coming in. They're both running at the same time, but one's a little bit adjusted to the right, the back row. I might have to fix the back row army men. I'll test that out. Now here I'm going to have to take the video. I mean, not the video of the army man, but I need to take the photo. And what I need to do to the photo, I need to scoot it over to where the tree on the right side is almost disappeared. And I'm doing that now. I have notifications pop up, so they kind of get in my way. Now I'm going to move see, I'm showing you the mistake here. You have that line that they're going into, they're disappearing. But I want them to go off screen. So I removed the tree. All right. There they go. Still got the problem, but what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take each video. I zoomed in. I zoomed in the photo. Now I'm going to have to check that. Now I've still got the problem. It's a lot of trial and error. So what I need to do is I need to take the army men, each one, and make them a little bit bigger and let them fill the screen. That way as they're running, they'll cover that area. Now I take the back row of army men and I'm going to adjust them back a little further. Of course, they're going to be a little bit smaller because anything back will be just a touch smaller. And if I progressed on back and back and back and back to the horizon, then you couldn't see them, but you could tell there would be movement. All right, it's looking pretty good. Now I don't need all that. I don't need all the photo that I have, the background. So I'm gonna have to split the screen here. I split it to playhead, and then I take that right side out and delete it. Then I'm gonna test it again. That's about what I want. Some look a little taller than the others, but it may be that they're on a mound because it's hilly. So if they're on a hill, they're not going to be just the same size running on a flat surface. They're going to be up and down. So now here, I'm going to have to take the photo. It's a little forward. I'm going to have to bring it back just a hair to where the army men don't disappear. It's either disappearing, and I don't want that. I want them to just stop. So I need to take that photo. Let's test it here. They're running. You see they disappear. I don't want them to disappear like that. I just take that photo and bring it back. That way, the photo stays there and the men stay there, and it stops at the same time. That's just the way I want it. So that's looking pretty good. And that's how you do a simple green screen and foreground motion using two clips and cloning the clips, I would say, and making them look like there's a whole lot of army men. And you can just do three or four or five, whatever you want to do. I know Kinemaster has a limit on how much effects and videos you can put on here on one. And I do have the premium, and the premium went down. It's only $3.49 a month. It's $3.49, folks, and that's a pretty good deal. And I can get all kinds of stuff. So there you have it. Thank you.